The St. Catherine North Police are trying to ascertain the identity of a male whose body was found wrapped in tarpaulin in bushes in Hill Run in the parish. Passerby reportedly stumbled upon the body about 7 a.m. Wednesday. The nearby Fellowship Hall police station was contacted. The police team later confirmed the body was missing an ear and an eye. The scene was processed and the body removed. A 28-year-old man who recently charged with murder in Kingston had once again been slapped with more charges after a firearm and several rounds of ammunition were seized at his home in Whitthorne, Westmoreland on Tuesday. Charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition is 28-year-old Romario E. of Dumfries Street, Denham Town in Kingston, and Hertford, Whitthorne, Westmoreland. Reports are that about 10 p.m. lawmen conducted an operation at a premises where he occupied. During the search, 6 9mm rounds of ammunition were found in his possession. A further search of the premises was conducted, and the following morning and 1 9mm pistol was seized. He was arrested and charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. He was recently charged with murder in Denham Town and was ordered by the court to relocate, which he did, and went to Westmoreland. Veteran dancehall artist Matt Cabra is facing up to 30 years in prison after deputies in Florence County, South Carolina on Tuesday discovered 2 kilograms of cocaine in his vehicle. According to the Florence County Detention Center, Matt Cabra, given name Ewart Yuratan Brown, was given surety bonds of $5,000 on the charge of possession of a weapon during a violent crime and $120,000 on charge of trafficking in cocaine. His bail is set at US $125,000. A release from the Florence County Sheriff Department said that 55-year-old Brown of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, was arrested after deputies initiated a traffic stop on his black BMW SUV for speeding. Once deputies had Brown stopped, they reportedly had reasonable suspicion of criminal activity and asked Brown for consent to search his vehicle. During the search, the deputies discovered 2 kilograms of cocaine and a 9mm Beretta.